Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure power and connectivity are solid. Plug the watch into its charger and reach at least 50% battery. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Make sure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network, unlocked, and has Bluetooth active because the watch downloads via your phone. Open the watch app on your iPhone, go to General, then Software Update. Tap Download and Install when the update appears. This initiates the file transfer and prepares the watch for installation. Once the download starts, monitor progress and let it finish. Some updates are large, so patience matters. Keep both devices next to each other and leave the watch on its charger. Disconnecting Bluetooth or power can abort the process. You may be prompted for your iPhone passcode or Apple ID to authorize installation. Provide those quickly to avoid timeouts. Once the phone transfers the update, the watch will restart and show an installation progress. Do not force restart the watch while the progress indicator is active. After installation, the watch reboots and you should see the updated watch OS in settings right arrow general right arrow about. This confirms success. If the update fails, first restart both your iPhone and the watch, then retry. Many issues resolve with a reboot. Make sure you have at least 1 GB of free space on your iPhone and that the watch is charging. If problems persist, remove the partially downloaded update from the watch app and download again. And contact Apple support only after retries fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.